Uh, Welcome back to Arsul Polytechnic YouTube channel. Today we will go to learn the unit 4th vocabulary building. In this unit we will see the words often confused. Second, spelling errors. Third, idioms, and fourth, collocations. Among those we will see today words often confused. Words often confused means, let's see one example of it. The principal of colleges were present for the meeting. Were present for the meeting. Were present for the meeting. In this example, there is given a principal of colleges. The principal of colleges were present for the meeting. Were present for the meeting. Here we see the spelling of principal. There are two principals. Number first word principal. Number second word principal. There are difference between those words. Difference in meaning. Number first principles meaning is rules, regulation, etc. For example, we will see the Newton's principle. The second one word principal means head of the institute, head of the college, school, institute. So here is the correct answer or correct word. It will be there. The principal. So in this type of questions will be asked in final eligibility exam. Let's see second one example. Mumbai is a dash city. Let's see second example. B. Amit's father is dash. Let's see two words. Industrial, and the second word industrious. What is the meaning of industrial? Industrial means related to industry. And here industrious means hardworking. So in the first example, Mumbai is industrial city, means related to industry. Mumbai is industrial city, means related to industry. So here is the industrial is correct. Industrial city. And Amit's father is industrious, means Amit's father is a hardworking. Let's see another example of the confused words. Next word is stationery. Next word is stationery. Number first, A. The goods train are dash. Second one example, they placed they placed an order of office that is. Let's see two words. Number first, stationery. Number second word, stationery. Let's see the difference between these two words. The spelling of the first stationery, S-T-A-T-I-O-N-E-R-Y. Number second, S-T-A-T-I-O-N-A-R-Y. So the goods trains are stationary. Stationary means एका जागेवर थांबणारी किंवा कुठेतरी थांबणारी. STATIONARY याचा मीनिंग. आणि this stationery means related to pen, pencil, writing materials, etc. So the answer of the first A is the goods trains are stationary. Goods trains are stationary. ARY. And second one, they placed an order of office stationery, means related to pen, pencil, etc. Stationery. So these confused words we use according to the context of the sentence. Let's see second or another example of confused words. Number first or next word is Runda's handwriting. Or Ram is very weak. Next example. Ram is dead, a very dead. Number second, we will complete our work in this dash. So let's see two words. Number first, weak. Number second, weak. Meaning of the first, weak means feeble. Feeble means आपण मराठीत दुर्बल म्हणतो. आणि second one means 7 days. एक आठवडा आपण त्याला मराठीमध्ये काय म्हणतो? आठवडा म्हणतो. So Ram is very weak. So here is correct, weak. And number second, we will complete our work in this week. Here is the 7 days. Within 7 days, we will complete our work within 7 days. So let's see another examples. Pritam's leg was hurt in an accident. Pritam's leg was hurt in an accident. Next example. Pritam's leg was hurt in an accident. Which hurt is correct here? HART or HURT? HURT. Pritam's leg was hurt. हर्ट म्हणजे इजा, बरोबर ना? हा दुसरा हर्ट म्हणजे आपलं हृदय, बरोबर ना? सो वी हॅव सीन examples of words often confused. Let's see another example. Runda's handwriting is dash. Runda's handwriting is dash. Runda's handwriting is dash. Handwriting is dash. There are two words. Number first, eligible. Second, eligible. Eligible. Which word is correct here? Which word is correct here? Which word is correct here? Here, eligible means अस्वच्छ किंवा the handwriting which cannot be read. Which cannot be read. की वाचता येत नाही अशी handwriting. So, eligible. So, today we have seen examples of words often confused. In the next session, we will see the next topic. Thank you very much.